Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. So before we get into this video, I just really want to quickly touch on why I decided to get another camera, because I just bought a 200D like almost a year ago. I'll leave the unboxing of that video up in the cards, and I really hope this sheds light on the fact that there is so much more to video than just watching camera reviews, than just, I don't know, than just the superficial things that we don't tend to think about, myself included, and also why I decided to go for the G7x Mark II instead of the G7x Mark III. So I would be lying if I said most of what I know about lenses and cameras right now I learned from YouTube, because I didn't. I actually learned from this photographer right here from 1920 Productions. His photography is amazing and we are quite close, so that is why I learned a lot about stuff, because I have asked him for advice and all of that stuff. Why is people making noise right outside my window? So yeah, I have learned a lot about lenses and image stabilization lenses and all these different technical things through having one-on-one interaction with an actual photographer who is for the most part self-taught, which is insane. So if you guys don't follow him, go ahead on Instagram, follow him. He also has a YouTube page, so go ahead, follow his YouTube page. It's pretty new, so yeah, go check out his YouTube page as well. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's where I learned most of my knowledge about lenses and image stabilization lenses, USM lenses, STM lenses. It's crazy. I was confused about why exactly my lens made such a noise, because it has step motors or something like that, and a USM has ultrasonic motors, which is quieter than a STM or something crazy like that. But through all that trial and error, when you watch review videos, they don't tell you about what lenses would probably work the best for these kinds of cameras, especially the DSLRs, where the lenses are interchangeable and all that stuff. So it's kind of like a work in progress. It's kind of like a little bit of a struggle bus, because you kind of have to figure out these things for yourself. So thank goodness I had a photographer at hand that I could ask information from. And yeah, even though, you know, most beauty videos are definitely not the typical 3-step lighting situation or 3-point lighting situation, it is still very beneficial to learn photography techniques and a lot about lenses and stuff, so that you really get a broader sense of what you're doing. You know what I mean? So crazy. But anyway, the reason why I decided to get the G7x Mark II instead of the G7x Mark III is because the G7x Mark III, I've watched so many videos, even leading up to getting this camera, or the day before buying this camera, I was watching a lot of comparison videos, and I thought to myself, should I just wait and just spend that extra 2,000 Rand on the G7x Mark III? Would it be better for me? So the G7x Mark III has an audio output, but there's a lot of things on the G7x Mark II that is just not worth upgrading to the G7x Mark III. So I've watched so many videos. You guys can find any videos. Nobody feels like the G7x Mark III is worth the premium price. So I decided, okay, my mind is gonna be set on the G7x Mark II. So I got this camera on Cameraland Cape Town. Now they are celebrating their 61st birthday, I believe, and they are having a massive sale on all their cameras, whether it is I think I've seen like ads on Instagram for like the M100, M50, some of the like really big professional cameras. They are having insane sales on. So this camera is originally on the Cameraland website. It is originally 9,289 Rand, I believe. You can also get this camera on Takealot for 8,895 Rand, I believe. You can tell I know my prices because I've been looking for a while. And what I got this for was 6,898 Rand, I believe. Or was it 6,000? Yeah, 6,989, I think it was. So that is insane if you ask me. And they actually, when I first came across this special. So they were having like these Instagram promotional stories, and so I clicked on it, went onto the website, checked if they had the G7X in stock, and it was on sale for 6,989 rand, and I was sad because it was sold out. And so a couple of days later I decided to go onto the site again and actually email them for them to let me know when these were back in stock on the specific offer. And the day they let me know, literally within 5 minutes, I was on the site ordering it, and I ordered on Friday. Today is Monday. I got it today. And I ordered on Friday about lunchtime, and I got it today, which is insane. So I'm so happy to finally have this baby in my hands. And I know it's an amazing investment because I'm going to be able to produce content on the go, whenever, wherever. It's going to be amazing, and this can fit in my handbag. So I'm just really excited to finally have this camera. And it doesn't mean to say that I'm going to be throwing away my EOS 200D. I am not. I'm still going to be using it. I love it for the fact that it has audio, and the quality on this camera is sometimes mind-blowing. Like mind-blowing when it comes to my videos, whatever it may be. I just really love using this camera. So I'm definitely not going to get rid of it. I just had to make a choice. Do I get a lens, which is worth 7,000 rand, that is image stabilization, that is USM, doesn't make any noise? I really had to sit down and think, is this what I want to do, or would I much rather save up a little bit longer and just get the Canon G7x Mark II? So I settled on getting the G7x Mark II because I just feel like a lens, to actually buy a lens, in my mind, it just doesn't justify me spending that much money on just a lens. If I was a photographer, I would, but I'm not a photographer. I am a content creator, so I really wanted to get this one. So now that we are done talking so much of stories, I can talk so much, but I really want to But I really want to at least give you guys a little bit of knowledge from watching this video. Knowledge that you wouldn't have gotten watching any of these other review videos or anything of that sort. So yeah, I'm just explaining myself so you guys are like, okay, this is what I should expect if I get a 200D with a one lens bundle. I thought I was saving money getting one lens. And there's also a triple lens bundle, and I think the 24mm pancake lens probably has less sound or makes less of a noise than any other lens. But yeah, if you guys want me to talk all about tech, comment down below, let me know, and yeah, I will teach you guys all of the things I've learned over the last couple of years, having no knowledge in photography, videography, nothing whatsoever, until recently, of course. So yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, when you open it up, you have all the leaflets. So there's like a ICASA approved sort of stampy thing. You have, I think, a warranty booklet, European warranty system. You have a get started booklet, a safety precaution booklet, all the wonderful booklets in life when getting started with this. And then, okay, let's not try to drop anything. To the right, we have the charging cable. We have the wrist strap for the camera. We have the battery. And then we have the battery charger thingy-mabobby. And lastly, we have the one, the only G7x Mark II. And this is wrapped in this mesh. And this is what the camera looks like. How gorgeous is this camera? What? I love it. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is really nice. And then you have the dials up here, well, below here. You have a few dials up there. You have the zoom in button. All that kind of stuff is up there. And what I really like about this camera is that it has a focal length of 24mm to 100mm. So it can zoom in quite a distance, and it's actually quite a good distance for vlogging, so I don't even have to hold my hand too far away from my face to get a wide angle, which is basically what you want, especially when you're vlogging. Right now my angle is right up here when I vlog, which is not a cute vibe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the battery in here. It doesn't come with any extras like memory cards and all that, which I didn't really expect, so I'll definitely use like one of the ones I already have. And just pop this in here. It has like a lock to kind of lock this little flap. It doesn't just clip into place like my 200D does. And let's switch this on. The on button is up here. Did you guys see that? Like the lens just did the most. And then if I zoom in to the camera I'm using right now, oh my god, like it is legit zoomed into the viewfinder. Do you guys see that? And you can almost see my whole room. Wow, that is insane. And the clarity on this, whoa, the clarity on this is amazing. Whoa, okay, I'm just gonna hold this out so you guys can see. Like, I am getting such a wide angle right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I am getting such a wide angle considering I'm holding the camera so close to my face. It is insane. I'm so obsessed with this camera, you guys. This is a point and shoot camera as well, so you can also, I'm just gonna switch it off because the battery is blinking, and it closes and the shutter closes, and yeah, so yeah, this is a point and shoot camera as well. So when you are out and about, definitely pop this in your handbag, take pictures. So I feel like this is definitely the ultimate camera for a content creator, and I absolutely love it. I'm so excited for this camera. If you guys want to cop yourself this camera for under 7K, considering this costs about 9K, I'm so proud of myself for saving that much money, you guys. You have no idea. I pride myself on saving money. It's crazy. But if you guys want to cop this, I will leave the Cameraland website directly to this baby right here down below in the description bar. And yeah, I hope you guys managed to get your hands on this baby. I'm about to finish filming right now so I can go edit this and get this up tonight so you guys do not miss out, and so that there is still stock. So that is it for this video. I am not sponsored by Cameraland whatsoever. I paid this amount of money out of my own pocket. I bought this camera with my hard-earned money, and so yeah, you guys, no sponsorships here. And this also has a built-in flash, so there's a little bit of a little notch thingy here that you click, and it has a built-in flash, and then you can just pop it back in. So that's really amazing about this camera. So yeah, that is finally it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.